Game 1 of
We're expecting this kind of game. We know it will be a tough game. We know that it will be a dog fight. And sa amin naman, sa akin ng mga players, we just have to be tough and we just have to grab this opportunity because not all players, not all coaches are given this kind of opportunity.
Coach, parang first time mo talaga nagpakita ng emotion, sumigaw ka after ng final buzzer.
Well, all the syempre, yung, yung, yung pressure. Gusto ko rin labas yung pressure kasi I don't want to feel it on game 2. Yung gusto ko rin mailabas lang kasi for the past days, again, uh, nakafocus talaga dito sa laro.
What can you say about yung presence ni Pacquiao sa team?
Well, I told you before in my first interview regarding Boss Manny, pangalan pa lang, motivation na eh. And when he entered our dugout, kita ko yung mukha ng mga bata. They felt elated na bigyan kami ng ganong presensya niya kasi palaging naudlot. Very timely na championship game nandito siya. So, we're motivated and we were, right now, inspired pa rin kami kasi nandun yung support namin. Game 2, medyo ba siya ulit? Hindi ko alam kung ano maging schedule.
Sa'yo, Mark, anong impact niyo yung Boss Man sa inyo?
Kasi, malaking siyempre, tapos yung energy. Sabihin ko, kung pasok na kasi natin, sisigawan kami. Ayun, sobrang laki factor. Mark, yung past two championships, yung nasa Libera, lagi kayo nauunahan, game 1 yun, kayo naman yung nakauna. Sa tingin mo, anong sa tingin mo yung bago ngayon sa inyo? Nag-focus ang talaga sa defense. Yung barometer yung lagi yung isang coach, yung priority namin defense, so doon na kami nag-stick sa base na namin. Kasi okay kami dumakot after good defense. Yun lang yung
Coach, shoot up kayo na.
Hindi naman kami, yun naman talaga ginagawa namin throughout the practice. Throughout the season, yun lang ang ginagawa namin, tumira lang tumira. So, yun ang laro namin, hindi ang laro nila. So, kung sa mga nanonood, sa mga nasa TV or nanood kanina, well, it was fun. Because we're playing tough defense and yung offense nandun. So, classic kind of game.
coach. Second game ko, anong expect natin?
Same effort, same energy, and we're going to finish that off. We're going to finish that off.
Ano sa tingin mo yung adjustments na gagawin ng Sundelo?
Of course, they are going to adjust because they lost this game. Yun din ang ginawa namin na nung natalo kami sa kanila nung playoffs and nung second round. Nag-adjust din kami. So, we're going to do our assignments. We're going to enjoy this dinner. And after this dinner, we're going to start working and the players, they're going to rest. And tomorrow, we're going to prepare for games. Well, ever since, McGraw is our unsung hero. And I told you before, he is one of our best closers. Don't misinterpret that. Because the two here are the best closers. He's one of them. He's one of them. And he always makes the right decision. And parang yung puso ng bata. And siguro ko, even Mark and Kerax, Macjur and the rest of the guys, yung mga veterano, they have suffered enough. They have suffered. Even kami naman, yung nasa susugod ako, pinapanood ko sila doon sa natalo nilang series. Well, lahat ng Latanista, we were heartbroken and we don't want to feel that again. we're going to do our best. We're going to do our very best para hindi mangyari dito.
Max, feeling mo tapos na. Game 2.
Siyempre, hindi ko masasabi. Pagkatrabaho pa rin namin para matapos na.
Coach, si Ola, 23-16. Ano masasabi mo?
Of course, I'm satisfied because we won. But the way he played, kailangan pa magtrabaho ng mga big men namin. We have to limit him. And ganyang monster game, every time kasi na naglalaro si Owen ng ganyan, may problema kami. So, we're going to work that out.
Pero coach, on the positive side naman, yung art development of Basir Ramir combined for just 5 of 16, silang dalawa. Yung thoughts mo sa defense mo sila.
Si Art naman, basta nandun ka lang sa harapan niya, walang wala nang gagawin yun. I don't want to motivate him by that, pero yun naman talaga ang ito. And si Baser, well, we're going to expect that they're going to come up big on game 2. And alam na, babawi mo yung dalawang